Black Friday deals at Tractor Supply. Yes, they're here. Let's go into the store and find all these deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, alright, so we got the Greenworks Pro. This is the 18-inch chainsaw kit at $349. Yes, it does include a battery and a charger. This is a 60-volt tool. As you guys do know, Tractor Supply does have the 60-volt platform from Greenworks. It does include a battery. Same thing with the pole saw. This is $229. Does include a battery and a charger. Not a bad deal for a 60-volt tool. So $129 for the 60-volt battery. And then you got the rapid charger here for $69.99. Obviously, a toolkit will be much cheaper. You got the blower here, 610 CFM. It is valued at $199.99. And then you got the smaller chainsaw at $299.99. Might as well get the 18-inch. All right. We got the mower. This is the Gen 2 push mower, $449.99. I heard that these are really nice, really good to use. So Greenworks, it's been around for quite a while on the garden equipment, so they know what they're doing. So $599.99 for the self-propelled mower. And then they have one here. So this is a 21-inch. They got one right there. Alright, so we got the free charger kit with the purchase of any tool. So buy a porter cable tool and get a free battery charger kit. So you can get the angle grinder, you can get the reciprocating saw or the circular saw, valid at $129. That is the starter kit you're gonna get for free with the 4 amp hour battery. You got the reciprocating saw there and the circular saw there at the bottom. Alright, so special buys. This is $79 for a compact driver or an impact driver kit, $79. Or you can get a pair of angle grinders, which is a good deal because you can dedicate one to cutting and another one to grinding. You're not switching out those wheels. It gets annoying. Trust me, I know. I've done that before. It gets annoying. If you have 2, it's even better. 3, even more better. Alright, so you got the 41-piece high drill impact bit sets, 32-piece step and drill bit sets. You got a cutoff wheel, and then you got a metal cutoff wheel. We got different sizes of metal cutoff wheels, different thicknesses. And then we got a grinding wheel. So, you know, guys, what this reminds me? This reminds me of whenever you used to burn discs, you know, music discs back in the day and stuff like that. That's what it, like a nice spool of discs. That's what it reminds me. You got a 253 piece for $129, and then you got these for $19, $19.99. That's actually a pretty nice deal for the for some wrenches, and then 253 piece for this one. It's a pretty big kit. Alright, we got the BOGO deals. Yes, these are the Black Friday deals. They're running Black Friday pretty much all month. Killer deals, guys. These are basically buy a porter cable toolkit, get a select bear tool for free. That is the kit, the impact wrench, half-an-inch impact wrench, and you get a free tool. And as you guys knew, those free tools at the bottom are pretty nice. You can choose from the jigsaw, the ratchet, guys. You guys can choose from the ratchet, the oscillating tool, or the half-an-inch hammer drill. So any of those will be free with the purchase of that impact wrench kit, which is not a bad deal. I believe it does come with the 4 amp hour. It looks like a 4 amp hour battery. Don't get me. Charger in a bag. And those tools are valued around $99. Alright, so buy one DeWalt toolkit and get a free bear tool. You can get the impact wrench, half-an-inch impact wrench kit, or you can get the grease gun kit. Yes, a lot of us don't use the grease gun kit, but you know, if you run heavy equipment, if you run farm equipment, even for your own cars, you know, older cars, you know, you're gonna grease those joints, those bar joints, and all that stuff, suspension components. All right, $59.99 for these 20-piece ratcheting wrench set from Gear Wrench. It's a nice set, and then you got this a 19-piece. It does include a breaker bar, a ratchet, some extensions there for $69, half-an-inch drive. So these are the little bigger tools or sockets and wrenches. All right, so $49.99 for the vacuum. All right, got some more deals here. 4-pack of DeWalt batteries, $199, and you got a 100-piece tough grip 2.0 drill drive set to $29.99. Got a reciprocating saw and a drill bit set for $24.99. Got a 35-piece flex torque ready, and I believe a right angle adapter, which is hard to see. Yep, right angle adapter, $19.99 each. Yes, each, not for both. Keep that in mind, because I believe I seen that at Home Depot where they included both of those for $19.99. You got the detachable nut driver set for $9.99. So a bunch of good deals here. Not all of them are the best deals, but you know, some of them are pretty solid. All right, so this is the you got a sleeve there. You got some 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits, impact ready. That is a 4-pack of 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour batteries. That's a nice little set. Then you got some screwdrivers here. This is what I didn't see a price on this one actually. I wanted to see the price on this one because I wanted to get it, but no price, so I'm not gonna bother. Same thing with this one, did not have a price. I'm just showing you guys what I saw. This one did have the price. Obviously, it's the one at the top, and same thing with this one. It's a 16-piece reciprocating saw blade set, and then you got this drill drive set here. It's pretty nice with some sockets or nut drivers, and for the impact driver and some bits there to the right. Alright, so with $99 your choice here, you got a hammer drill kit or impact driver with socket. That's actually a pretty nice kit. And then you got the Speed Devil multi-material drill bits, or the Speed Demons, or Daredevils, not Speed Demons, Daredevils. And that is the Bosch Daredevil bits for, I believe they're for concrete. You got the brushless square drive, and then you got the 3-tool combo kit. There's a 12-volt 3-tool combo kits for $199. You got the Chameleon for $199. You got the two-tool combo kit for $109. And then you got some Dremel special buys over there. I'm not going to go over all of them because I'm not really into Dremel. But you got the 3-tool combo kit from Bosch. And then you got the Flexi Click, that they call it. And then they got the 2-tool combo kit there at the bottom. Alright, they got the DeWalt organizers. Yes, these are the thicker ones. These are not the thin ones from Home Depot. This is that's why they're $24.99, because they're thicker. And then you got the tumblers. Yes, these are really nice tumblers. Very comparable with the Milwaukee. But these are not compatible with the Tough System 2.0. These are just regular tumblers. You can just set them pretty much on your cup holder. But they do have a DeWalt all over the place. You got the Performance. That's what it's called. That's what it says right there. So this is a nice toolbox. It does not have self-closing. It just has some soft closing there and some liners. So overall, it's pretty decent. And then you got I did not see the price on that one, by the way. You got some light bars, $79, a 20-inch, and then you got 1000 lumen 2-pack, 1250 lumen 2-pack, and a 600 lumen squares. So, bunch of lights here for the ATVs, for the UTVs, for your off-road trucks, All right, so if you guys want to check out these accessories, what they do, because they're different than other cables. Make sure you guys check out Joe the Two Guys' channel. He did a review on one of those, and it does have some interesting features with that DeWalt cable. Alright, so you got the pneumatic shop stool, $64.99. Yes, guys, some more DeWalts. Alright, you got the angle grinder and a drill for $2.99 with 2 stack pack, or those stackable in the new batteries. You got the 2 6 amp hour batteries flex volt for $199. You got the oscillating tool for $129. That's actually cheaper, guys. This is actually cheaper than Home Depot. So that oscillating tool is pretty cheap at $129. I believe at Home Depot is $149. It does include a bigger battery, but then again, if you already have the batteries, or if you just want something cheap, that's a pretty nice deal. That is the angle grinder and the drill with the 2 stack packs. You got the helmets there for $69. Your choice here. These are really nice welding helmets. I kind of want to get one. These are so nice, especially this one and the flame one. Even all of them are nice. That's the flame one. Looks nice. And then you got the American flag. That's really nice too. So definitely check them out. You got your choice here from your design. You got the ammo can, the original style, I guess they say, and that's the way it looks on the inside. Really nice. It's all metal. All right, you got the Job Smart. Your choice here. We got a whole bunch of flashlights for $24.99 each. Well, and it does have at the bottom $19.99, so I don't know. Then again, you do have to ask the price, I guess. But it says $24.99. All right, so this one's 1000 lumen. It's a really nice color. It's kind of like a copperish color. Yeah, really powerful. Then you got like a headlamp. It's pretty much like a light bar around your head, basically. So, and then it does have some cables. You got the 1000 lumen spotlight, big spotlight. Then you got the vintage military style. So those are pretty nice. Definitely check them out. Lots of good deals, guys. Lots of good deals. We still got a few more. All right, we got this generator. So this one's under $1,000. It's 8,000 watts. So it's a big generator. We got some gloves, guys. These are some really nice gloves. I never seen these before. Really nice gloves. You're gonna look like a robot, but these are really nice gloves. Definitely check them out. They feel really good on the hands, and they do have that protective to protect your knuckles and stuff like that from hits, from demolition. All right, so you got some stubbies. Your choice here for $29.99. Any of these will do $29.99. Same price. Looks like a fastback style. Pocket utility knives. You got some sort of shears, depending on what you're cutting. This is $12.99. This is a really nice. I was looking at this knife. It's a knife and keychain kit or set. Moving on to the Makita, we got a free Makita Bear Tool kit with the purchase of a 2-piece combo kit. Now there's a 2-piece combo kit at $279. I don't know exactly how this works, but they do have this deal here. That's the tag for you guys if you guys want to look at those item numbers and try to find out those deals. I didn't have the time because I was obviously in between jobs. You got the mid-size organizer, and then you got the compartment organizer. This is like the slim organizer, and this is the half organizer basically. I never seen this one before. I thought I'd show you guys this half organizer. It seems really nice, and it is the deeper one. It's not the shallow. As you guys do see, it's kind of deep. So and then you got some clearance helmets, welding helmets for $26.99, and then you got this one $24.99. You got some really nice welding helmets here. These are really nice for the price, for $24. And then this one's $59. So that was regular price at $79.99. It's the camel. Then you got the old style toolboxes here. Now these are all metal. $139. Yeah, it's hard to see. There's just a lot of light. But yeah, these are the older style. They're full metal, and they do have some drawers at the bottom. So it's kind of like the plastic ones for today, but you know, back in the day used to be metal. All right, you got your choice here from $19.99. These are all $19.99. All this section, I'll show you guys everything. You got a 1000 lumen light. Oh, that's a really powerful light. 2-hour run time, or probably on 1000 lumens because it takes a lot of power. Then you got 1200 lumen, and then you got a 600 lumen to the side, a much smaller light, and then you got 300 lumen for all, any of those. A pack of 3. So if you got three different gifts or something that you want to give them, or for 3 different trucks. You got a mechanics tool set, 62 piece. It's like a stubby set. You got a combination tool set. This is a really nice set for the electricians. For the DIYs, you got it looks like a stripper, wire stripper, and then side cutters. You got some screwdrivers, and then you got a tester. Maybe yeah, it is a tester. Then you got another plier set, a nice plier set, some adjustables. Looks like a fastback utility knife, some sort of fastback utility knife. Then you got a screwdriver set. This is a really nice screwdriver set for all for $20, guys. So not all these are for $20, but obviously each one, a whole bunch of bits there at the bottom. So 116 piece. That's pretty nice. And then that's the socket. This the mechanics tool set that we saw earlier. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. This video's already been long enough. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.